Hello guys, if you're having trouble with your file manager not having an access to a folder, so let's open a file manager. So for instance, you want to open this file right here, but it will show you um a message that you can open this file. So to be able to do that is you need to right click your um the file that you want to edit, right click on that, and go to properties. On the properties section, you will see go to security. With that, you should have this authenticated users as your um, setting. And it will have this setting right here, which you can see that you have full control. You can modify that type of file. So yes, that's it. And if you want to edit it with your only like system, you can edit or modify it with whether what you want to deny the full control with that. But I suggest you just to choose the authenticated user since that one can open my file right here. See, that's all.